Well, this certainly beats walking. Welcome to New Zealand and welcome to Lynn and Paul's excellent adventure.
Lynn and Paul's excellent adventure, a 4-year voyage while living on a cruise ship.
Can you see what we're doing?
We made it to New Zealand. Yes, we are here in New Zealand. We made it to, what's the name of the port?
Tangaroa.
Tagarora. And we're going to go, on this trip, we're going to go up to
We're going
Napier.
up,
We're going
down.
up. Well, down. Yes, down. You're right.
Down.
Because we're going south.
But
Actually, is that up because it's the South Pole? I don't know.
don't confuse me, because people ask me if I'm upside down. I don't know.
Well, we're going to on this trip. We're going to be going to Hobbiton, where they actually filmed Lord of the Rings. We'll be doing that tomorrow. Today, we're having fun because we're doing some zorballing. ZORB, right? Balls.
Yeah, Zorba balls.
And
this is where it was invented, folks.
You climb into them and you roll down this hill behind us.
Yeah.
So
We got our friends with us.
Now
We
what-
got Nancy and Lindy and
Yeah.
Marianne. We
And
all know Marianne.
I guess what
She's
they
with
do, I guess they actually throw a bucket of water in with you.
us, right?
So you wear your swim trunks.
There's
And then,
the hill.
yeah, there's the
There's
hill.
the hill.
and then we will go down the hill and then they dump you out with the water. So, and then they carry these balls up on this little tram that they've got here. You can see one going up there. Isn't that
This is
wild?
this
And they
is gonna
take
be
them up to the
wild.
top. So you're
don't
not
know
in it
how
when they
we're-
carry you to the top.
I don't
though.
know how we're going to video this, but we're going to try to have some fun here.
We'll see how it goes.
Okay.
So we've changed into our swimwear, and we are getting ready to go down this hill right there.
Yeah, cool. You can have up to 3 people.
Yeah.
And we're going to go, there's 2 routes we're going to take. There's a zigzag route and then a straight route that's not real long. But
It seems pretty.
are you okay? So we're actually, the neat thing we just found out is that we're going to actually get to ride together in this. So we're going to take you along live as we come down. They call this zorballing. It's ZORB.
Falling.
And we'll see what it's like. They're getting ready to
Here's
pick us
the
up in
van.
the van. They're going to take us to the top of the hill. So we've got a crew of folks. We're going up the in a van right now to the top of the hill. I'm glad we didn't have to walk it. We've got Marianne and we've got Lindy back here, and we also have Nancy back here. And you probably remember Nancy from Mexico. And you haven't met Lindy yet, but you've seen Marianne more than probably anybody else on this. So we're gonna have some fun.
She does all the crazy stuff with us. Yeah, I'm loving it.
So we'll see. We did notice coming in, they have a cemetery down the hill.
Oh,
Those are probably the people that didn't make the trip down in the Zorba Bowl. So we'll see how it goes.
it was totally exciting.
You all survived. Now, Nancy went separately. What was that like going by yourself?
I think when there was 3 of us in there, because we were all stuck together, we stayed more toward the bottom. When it was just me, I was zooping
around.
So I was doing a starfish impression, trying to cover as much surface as possible.
Yeah.
And
Good for you.
which ride
I
did
bet
you?
it was fun.
Which ride did you two like better coming down? Did you like the zigzag or the straight?
I like the straight one because that was the first one, the most exciting, and then the zigzag was a lot of fun.
Was it
Totally
crazy?
recommend the zigzag. Yeah.
Oh, was it? Because you go one way and then all of a sudden you're sliding the other way.
Stop and it would roll up the
Yes,
the end. Oh no.
And here's the wounded warrior. She's got an ice pack on. Are you okay? Do you forgive me?
I had to have a test, like, are your eyes okay? You're not dizzy, you're not falling over.
Concussion protocol, they call it. What a fun day we had on the ZORB balls. That was crazy. How's your eye? Is it okay? It still hurt. I'm sorry. Smacked you in the face with a camera.
It's okay. It's okay. We put ice on it, and I'm doing okay. It's
Good.
just a knot there.
Was it worth the pain? All the fun?
Oh my gosh, that ZORB ball is so much fun.
And we got cool T-shirts. I got my ZORB glow in the dark T-shirt.
Yeah, yours glows in
And
the
yours
dark.
is kind of neat. ZORB New Zealand.
Yeah.
Something we'll always remember, I'm sure. We're in this wonderful Airbnb
In
we
Taronga.
and it's great because there's restaurants and lots of food and everything around us.
Great town, great little city
Yes.
to be in. And having a good time, having some ice cream and coffee. You can get it all just so quickly.
Tomorrow, more fun. Something you booked months ago now. You had to
yeah,
because it fills up so much.
Over 3 months ago, you have to make reservations in quite a ways in advance.
We're talking Hobbiton.
We
Yes.
are.
We're going to see
And-
Gandalf and we'll see all the little hobbits and it'll be fun.
And you know what? We're going to take you along with us.
Come on
and we're
along.
going to have fun.
Yeah.
Going on an adventure!
You know, it was a fun day, but I never saw Frodo. I don't think they live there anymore. What a wonderful movie set.
You know it's make-believe, right?
I know, I know it's make-believe.
But we went to, was it Frodo's house?
I believe so. I think so.
I'm terrible
I
with
didn't think we'd actually get to see an inside of a Hobbit house.
I know.
It was really a lot of fun.
Isn't it crazy? And
I
we
always
went to
thought they always did that on a sound stage, but some of it they actually did there.
I know. Well, in the history of putting that set together on that farm, I mean, it was absolutely, the grounds were absolutely beautiful.
It was incredible.
I can't tell you. I know the video and we're showing you pictures, but it was quite an experience.
It really was. It was.
It really was.
Now, one thing, we made a decision that we're going to leave this Airbnb that we're in now.
Yeah.
And we're actually going to try to get some extra days in Wellington because the ship's going to take a little longer. And they've decided not to actually do Napier.
Yeah.
So they've got a few days at sea. We're going to take advantage of that. We're actually going to hop on a plane. It's not very expensive.
Yeah.
And fly to Wellington. We'll get 3 or 4 more days. So it'll be kind of nice.
And I can't wait to see Wellington. I've been kind of reading up a little bit on it and looking at pictures.
A lot to do.
There's a lot to do there, too.
That'll be fun.
So we're looking forward to it.
So that'll be our last stop on the North Island. So let's go get ready. We'll hop on a plane and we're going to head to Wellington.
Sounds good.
A great way to start your morning in Wellington is with a flat white, isn't that beautiful? Coffee. You're just having water today, no coffee. I'm surprised.
Well, I had 2 cups earlier.
Oh, you did. Oh, you started. That's right, because you have a
Started
French
early.
press in our room.
Yeah.
And we have a lovely lemon tart. Isn't that gorgeous? That'll be delicious. Only one
we have
fork,
real
though.
real breakfast is coming.
Real breakfast is coming. We're going to do some eggs on toast.
Snack.
So this is our last day in Wellington. We have had a fabulous time. We got to go to the Museum of New Zealand.
Yeah.
It's a Papate Museum.
Te Papa.
Te Papa?
Yeah.
Te Papa. Te Papa
It
Museum.
was amazing.
Yeah, it's like 5 floors high. I still am missing a couple floors I didn't get to go to.
But it was
really
It
incredible.
was amazing. If you get to Wellington, go to the New Zealand Museum. It's amazing.
Near the wharf, only a couple blocks away from
Downtown.
it. We took a good walk yesterday. It's been raining off and on the last couple of days.
And cold.
And colder than we have seen in many, probably since Alaska. Since we were in Alaska, it's actually that cold. In Fahrenheit, it's probably been in mid to upper 60s. Well,
No,
you're saying
50s.
50s. It's colder than you.
No, I translated
Oh, did you
it.
translate? Okay.
It was 56.
Okay. It was, I know when we got up this morning, it was about 12 degrees centigrade. So that's kind of where we're at. We are getting ready to check out of the hotel after breakfast. And then we are going to actually do a city tour. The ship has come in. If you remember right, we've been doing land and air travel. The ship is now made it to port. We just heard from some of the other residents. And it's actually at the wharf. We are going to be picked up for the city tour.
By the tour company.
By the tour company
Yeah.
here. Oh, here's your eggs on toast.
Oh,
Lynn.
yay.
Ready? That was quick.
Best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep, both
Yes.
scrambled.
Both
Good.
scrambled. Thank
Isn't
you.
that lovely?
And there's, thank you.
Oh, that's good.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Great. Yeah, pretty nice eggs on toast.
Oh,
Good
I
way
guess
to start the
that's
morning.
important for you now.
Yeah.
You get to have cake.
But the tour should be really a lot of fun. We're going to close the show today with some highlights from the tour.
Yeah.
That we're going to show you.
Salt and pepper, please.
Oh, salt and pepper. Thank you very much. They do take good care of us here
They
in
do.
Wellington.
I love my scrambled eggs.
You do. It'd be nice having that this morning.
And you can all tell the eye is getting a little better.
Yeah, it got worse before it got better, but
Put lavender on it.
lavender
I
did the trick.
finally found some lavender oil and we
Yeah.
got that on there and it's healing it up real
Yep.
quick.
That'll do it for our trip to the North Island. We're going to show you the South Island in our next episode. We've got a couple ports there, and it should be a lot of fun. We ask you to subscribe to the channel. Go to lynnandpaulsexcellentadventure.com for all of the links, or go here on this YouTube channel. If you just go and hit the subscribe button, that would be great. If you want reminders whenever we come out with a new show, you can click the little bell.
Really?
Yeah, you can do that and get your reminders. We appreciate it. It's hard to believe we're over 50,000 people that have subscribed to this channel. It's hard to believe anybody would want to watch us, Lynn and I, especially me.
Me.
But we really appreciate you being part of
Love
our
y'all.
family. Yep. Have a great day. Here's some stuff that we got to see today on the tour.
Thank you for listening to Lynn and Paul's Excellent Adventure. See you next time.